Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. It really motivates me to keep creating content like this.
Hey there. Let me ask you something. What would you say if the examiner asked, do you enjoy taking photographs? Or what kind of apps do you use every day? Sounds simple, right? But trust me, these everyday topics can really catch you off guard if you're not ready. This is IELTS Pro Lab, and in this video, we're diving into 20 more topics that often pop up in IELTS Speaking Part 2, like festivals, animals, sleep, laughter, and even your favorite place. So if you want to sound natural and confident from the very first question, stick around. Let's get started. 21. Festival. Hey. So let's kick this off with festivals. Yeah, examiners love asking about them. You might hear, what's your favorite festival? Or how do people celebrate festivals in your country? Just share what makes festivals special for you. Celebrations, food, maybe some music too. 22. App. Now, let's talk about apps, those little things we all use every day. Like, what's your favorite app? Or how often do you use mobile apps? They just want to hear about what helps you stay connected or entertained. 23. Sleep. This one's all about sleep. Yeah, they might ask, how many hours do you sleep? Or do you take naps? It's pretty chill. Just talk about your sleeping habits and how you feel about rest. 24. Color. Here's a fun one. Colors. You might get something like, what's your favorite color? Or do you think colors affect your mood? It's simple. Just say what you like and why. 25. Dictionary. Okay, this one's a bit different. Dictionaries. Examiners might ask, do you use dictionaries? Or have you ever used an online dictionary? Just talk about how you learn new words, especially if you're into language learning. 26. Season. Let's talk about seasons. Spring, summer, winter, fall. You could hear, what's your favorite season? Or what do you like to do in that season? It's all about your vibe and how the weather fits into your life. 27. Volunteer. Here's a thoughtful one. Volunteering. They might ask, have you ever done volunteer work? Or would you like to volunteer in the future? You don't need to have a big story, just share your experience or what you think about helping others. 28. Animals. Who doesn't love animals, right? Questions like, do you like animals? Or what's your favorite animal? Are super common. Just talk about pets, animals you admire, or ones you'd love to see someday. 29. Getting bored. Yep, boredom is a real topic. The examiner might ask, what do you do when you feel bored? Or do you get bored easily? Be honest, everyone gets bored sometimes, and how you deal with it is what they're curious about. 30. Museums. Let's move to museums, a favorite for us. You might hear, do you like going to museums? Or when was the last time you visited one? Even if you don't go often, you can still say what you think of them. 31. Forests. This one's about forests and nature. They could ask, have you ever been to a forest? Or do you enjoy spending time in nature? You don't have to be a nature lover, just describe your experience or feelings about it. 32. Musical instruments. Next up, musical instruments. Questions like, can you play any instrument? Or what instrument would you like to learn? Talk about music you like, instruments you admire, or ones you've tried. 33. Holidays and gifts. Who doesn't like holidays and gifts? You might get, do you like giving or receiving gifts? Or how do you usually spend holidays? It's all about celebration and connection. Share your traditions. 34. Photographs. Smile. It's time for photographs. The examiner might ask, do you like taking photos? Or what do you do with the photos you take? You can talk about memories, social media, or even photography as a hobby. 35. Bicycles. Now let's roll into bicycles. They could say, did you ride a bicycle when you were a child? Or do people use bicycles much in your city? Whether you ride often or not, it's all about your experience. 36. Telephoning and flowers. Kind of a mix here, phone calls and flowers. You might hear, how often do you make phone calls? Or do you like receiving flowers? Both are simple. Talk about how you communicate and what you feel about little gestures like giving flowers. 37. Your favorite place. Everyone has a favorite place, right? They might ask, where is your favorite place to relax? Or why do you like going there? It could be a park, a room, a coffee shop. Just paint the picture. 38. Television. Time for TV talk. Questions like, do you watch television often? Or what kind of shows do you enjoy? You don't need a fancy answer. Just be honest about your watching habits. 39. Entertainment. What do you do for fun? Yep, it's entertainment. The examiner might say, what do you usually do for entertainment? Or do you prefer indoor or outdoor fun? Movies, games, outings, it's all fair game here. 40. Laughing. Let's end on a happy note, laughing. You might hear, what makes you laugh? Or do you enjoy comedy shows? Everyone laughs differently, so share what brings a smile to your face.
Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. It really motivates me to keep creating content like this.